Well, hello there fabulous people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make this absolutely delicious skewered pork belly using the air fryer. It's so simple and easy to make. I'm sure you're going to love it. Remember to click the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and also subscribe. Thank you. So to begin, I'm using some fresh pork belly. This quantity is enough to feed my family of 4, so feel free to use less or more depending on how many mouths you've got to feed. So I'm going to simply cut the pork belly into some sizable cubes, just like this. And that's the exact size that I want. Feel free to cut it smaller or bigger depending on your taste. I'm going to now throw this straight onto my bowl, ready to marinate. I'm going to prepare some dry rub seasoning to marinate this pork belly. So I'm going to be using a teaspoon each of garlic, ginger, paprika, mixed spice, chili flakes, thyme, and salt to taste. Now I'm going to simply mix this all together. Once that's thoroughly mixed, I'm going to pour this all over the pork belly. I'm also adding 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then, with my very clean hands, I'm going to simply mix this all together. It's very satisfying. Just make sure all the ingredients get in very nicely and mix everything thoroughly, and I'm going to cover it and allow it to marinate for at least 2 hours. After about 2 hours, it's time to skewer the pork belly. So I'm going to use my skewer sticks. Just remember to check that your skewer sticks are not too long and they can fit nicely into the size of your air fryer. So I'm going to simply begin to skewer my pork belly. I'm going to put about 3 in each skewer sticks. That's it. So I'm going to set this aside, and then I'm going to continue doing the same until I've finished every single one of it. So I've managed to get 8 skewer sticks from the amount of pork belly that I used, which is just the right amount I need for my family of 4. So once that's all ready, I'm going to place this very nicely straight into my air fryer. I'll be very careful not to overcrowd it, so I'm going to do it twice, which means I'm going to put 4 skewer sticks per time. I'm setting my air fryer temperature to 200 Celsius, and I'm going to allow it to air fry for a complete amount of 22 minutes. Now remember to flip it when it's about halfway, so about 11 minutes into its grilling, I'm going to simply flip it over to the other side just once, and then I'll push it back in and allow it to grill for a complete total of 22 minutes. And once that's all ready, just take a look at how perfectly golden that is. So it only just needs 200 Celsius in the air fryer at 22 minutes. Remember to flip it just once, and it's perfectly ready. So garnish it with any veggies of your choice. Remember to check the description box below, where I'll leave a list of all the spices and ingredients that I used to make this recipe. You can certainly pair this skewered pork belly with any main dish of your choice. But today I've prepared this absolutely delicious coriander rice, which I'm going to be serving this for my family. It is super delicious. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you can try out this recipe sometime. Remember to press the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and if you haven't already, welcome to the family. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again next time for another video. Goodbye.